Tracer Products is the undisputed world leader in automotive leak detection and ultraviolet light technology. Our specially formulated dyes are used in over 250 million vehicles. Trusted for its quality, Tracer is used and approved by original equipment manufacturers and suppliers. Diagnose and prevent leaks with a full range of leak detection and diagnostic tools for automotive and heavy-duty vehicles. Fluorescent dyes and injectors, LED flashlights, AC leak sealer, and diagnostic tools for pressurized leaks, component wear, combustible gas, and refrigerant. Ideal for repair shops, fleet maintenance, roadside service, farm, transit authority, municipalities, military. Tracer Products is proud to offer two leak detection brands, Leak Finder and Tracerline, the ultimate reliability in leak detection. Leak Finder for the best aftermarket leak detection solutions. Tracerline for professional grade and OEM solutions. Tracer Products Leak Finder product line are quality aftermarket solutions. Leak Finder products offer leak detection that shines bright, is affordable, and incredibly efficient. Leak Finder fluorescent dyes for automotive AC, fluid, and coolant systems. Leak Finder is ideal for automotive aftermarket technicians, DIYers. Our Leak Finder dyes are the brightest, most cost-effective, and efficient solutions for finding AC and fluid leaks. Universal AC dye injection made easy. Choose the delivery method that suits your workload and budget. Reload, multi-dose refillable syringe. Big EZ, multi-dose cartridge. Solo Shot, single-use disposable syringes. Find leaks fast with the Leak Finder LED flashlights designed to brightly fluoresce our dyes. Tracerline, trusted by OEM industry leaders. Tracerline is Tracer Products' OEM and professional-grade solution for automotive and heavy-duty leak detection. Our industry-leading dyes are OEM approved, Co-Solvent free, and compatible with all refrigerants. Fluoro-Lite is the only AC dye that is factory installed in new cars and trucks by automakers around the world. Tracerline's specially formulated dyes pinpoint leaks in one quick and easy inspection. Fluoro-Lite Universal for all AC fluid systems. Universal Ester, R134A R1234YF Dye-Lite All-in-One for all oil-based fluid systems. Fuel, hydraulics, oil, power steering, transmission. Dye-Lite application specific for water and oil-based fluid systems. Coolant, auto body. Complementing our cutting-edge Tracerline fluorescent dyes is a full line of powerful cordless leak detection flashlights, featuring a compact design for getting into tight spaces, durable lamp body, and powerful high-intensity LED. Designed to work in tandem with our dyes for a brilliant fluorescent response every time. Also available, complete automotive leak detection kits, designed to find all system leaks quickly and easily. In addition to our dyes and lamps, Tracerline diagnostic tools are specially designed to locate system leaks, wear, and defects. Tracerline Cool Seal is an ideal solution for sealing small, pesky leaks and can add years to older, out-of-warranty AC systems. An alternative to expensive parts replacement on older, high-mileage vehicles, available in 3 convenient delivery methods. Complete coverage for automotive diagnostics and preventative maintenance.